it's Sophia from Seminole Sitters, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3D salt art. Here's an example of a flower that I've already made. As you can see, my salt's already there, which makes the picture 3D, and it's outlined to the flower that I've made. First, I have cut out 4 rectangles of construction paper so that I can make 4 individual drawings. So for this one, I think I'm just gonna draw a heart. So you just take a regular pencil and draw whatever you would like on your construction paper. Here's my heart that I drew. I drew a smiley face inside of it just to add some more detail. Now, after I've drawn what I wanted on my construction paper, I'm either gonna take a glue bottle or a glue stick. I only have a glue stick, so this will have to work. And I'm going to go over everything that I drew with the glue. Now that I have my glue outlining the drawing that I made, I'm going to take my salt and I'm just going to dump it onto. You want to make sure that your drawing is completely covered with salt so that it will stick. Then I'm just going to press some of the salt down gently into the glue to make sure that it sticks. Next, I have a piece of construction paper sitting down here that is going to catch the salt when I drop it, just like that. Now I'm going to move the salt to where I want it. Drop a little bit more off, and this is the final product. I'm gonna make one more with you guys just to show you again. Drawing my sun, I'm gonna take the glue stick again and outline my drawing with the glue. And here is my final product. I have made 3 of these shapes so far. I have made a sun, a flower, and a heart. What have you guys made?